Hello students, today we are going to solve the first numerical of photogrammetry. Question is given as determine the number of photographs required to cover an area of 500 square kilometer if the scale of the photograph is 1 in 10,000 and the photograph format is 230 mm into 230 mm. Take the longitudinal overlap as 60% and the side overlap as 30%. Now in today's question, area of the field is given, that is 500 square kilometer. So we will use the formula for the number of photograph. Capital N is equals to AS square, that is area into scale square, in bracket 1 minus PL, that is the longitudinal overlap, into 1 minus PS, that is the side overlap, into length of the photograph into width of the photograph. Now in question, area is given as 500 square kilometer. So we will convert this in meter square and it will be equals to 10 to the power 6. Now scale is given as 1 by 10,000 whole square. The value of longitudinal overlap is also given as 60%, that is 0.6, and side overlap is given as 30%, that is 0.3, into length of photograph is 0.23 meter and width of photograph is 0.23 meter. On solving this and rounded off to the next integer value, we will get 338 numbers of photographs. That will be the total number of photographs which will be needed for covering an area of 500 square kilometer. That is 338 numbers of photographs. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.